Hi, myself Lokesh Kumar. I'm a iOS software engineer. So I am create a task within SwiftUI. So I am explaining how to render UI design within SwiftUI and API handling within Swift. So firstly, we have to discuss with the UI part. So this is the content view. It is the view of class structure and within class body part. So we our UI classes like Z, base tag, button, text. So these are defined within body parts. So firstly we have to Z stack. Z stack basically create a background color, and V stack is the upper layer. So it is the Z position. So this is the color set of within background according to safe area. And within VStack, so VStack is create drop space. So his space is set to the fixed size and fixed height. After then we have to render a image. So within image resizable property and height set of the image, and this is the text. So this is render of the text. So text is the property bold, height, font size, bottom, top property, and text color, foreground color. So foreground is basically create a text color, and the spacer is between the two objects, like between two text, here there days and prices. So this is the spacer. So after then define a price label within text. So here is the color of the text. After then set of the price value. So price value is set of the bold property, and spacer here is the between and text and button. So button is defined within button the action property, and here is the label of the button. So write the refresh price, the label name, and set of the property of button foreground and background color. So basically background color is conditional. So I am conditional check. If currency is null, then display of this background color, and currency not null, then display of background this color. Basically color code is defined within color. This is the background color, button color, and button BG loader color, and button text color and text color, and this is the image. So this is the assets of the our requirement. So this is the defined within assets. So name key here define the color, and this is the render of UI. So now I'm connecting to the API model. So I'm creating a observable object. So class, and the observable class is the main anchor. Basically our UI part is displaying within main thread. So SwiftUI is providing a main actor, and this is the currency object of the currency models. So this is codable. Currency is a codable. So API data is received from JSON to the codable part within write model. So this is the currency, and BPI USD is the key value, coding key value, and the error is the same value within the USD GBP and error. So I'm write the one structure for uniquely. So here is the define of the key and value, and now this function is the timer. Firstly published of the timer and creating the timer. Basically timer is creating the countdown of the loading from server side. So if server hit from the server, then is API response getting, after then receive. So this is the countdown for write the timer. The timer is start. This is the start function and stop function. when you start the timer, after then define of API URL, API URL write down with the session data from waiting for the server side. If I'm getting the response, so response is right within JSON decoder. So JSON decoder is assigned to the currency. So publish this is currency, so it is assigned. It is the catch. So within catch is the if error any type of internet connection and JSON model is not properly. So it is the error modeling you find. After then you stop the timer. So this is the OR currency model, right? And the loading. So loading is the define the string. So within the assigned value of the loading .2, .3, .4 it is the countdown. This is the JSON model define of the timer is start, then it is countdowning. And the value loading text is dynamically changed to the here and here. It is the displaying of the loading. And the currency model. So currency model is the when our application launch, then task is firstly called. So this is the getting of the get currency when till it is waiting of the data from the server side. So I am receive the data, then the value is not null, then below is text is display here, and the not null, then value of USD rate. So here is the define. And when I am clicking the refreshing test, then it is the action button. So this is the UI part. So it is the loading countdown, firstly loading, and the value is received, then it is the autofill to the exact position. So this is the value, and I am clicking the refresh price. So it is again loading and go to the server side, hit, after then receive data, then display to the same position. So I'm so happy I'm completed my task. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye.